We have identified a highly contagious and rapidly spreading virus. The situation is critical. It is crucial that everyone remains informed and takes immediate precautions to prevent further spread. The city is on lockdown, but remain calm. Our doctors will risk everything to find a cure. Beware, for disobeying the quarantine order comes with deadly consequences. It is advised to stay indoors. Venturing outside means becoming a threat. Those who defy the order will be considered a danger to society, and they will be terminated.
Today, I'm going to show you how to create a movie trailer using AI. Yes, AI. You can use these videos on YouTube, Instagram, and other social media platforms. I will provide you all the hidden secret of creating the video you saw at the beginning. With such videos, you'll be able to start your own faceless social media business. With these 3 steps, you'll be able to create your own AI movie trailer. 3 methods to create your own AI movie. Method 1. Create images with Leonardo AI. Method 2. Animate the images with Heygen Labs and Pika Labs. Method 3. Use CapCut to edit the videos and add some effects to the videos. Also, I will show you how I inserted the image onto the billboard. These are the tips you don't want to miss. So follow along as we uncover these viral methods I use for creating AI videos. Let's start with method 1. The first step was generating a script for my AI video. Bear in mind, I'm no movie director or have any experience in movie creation, which is why I asked ChatGPT for assistance. I asked her to write me a script. For instance, the city has shut down due to a pandemic. Once I got the script, I then divided and summarized it, making it look exactly what I wanted. Finally, I had 6 different scenes composed together. These scenes included my hook and my call to action. These scenes doesn't have to be a high concept script, meaning it tells a story never ever told before. Bear in mind, a great plot can be pitched in a few sentences and leave the audience craving for more. Just follow an existing concept if you want to catch a reader's attention. The next step was generating my AI images with Leonardo AI. Change the aspect ratio to 16:9. For the main character image, my prompt main keywords are age, doctor, making statement, Resident Evil like, white jacket. You can try any prompt of your choice. Once satisfied, I hit the generate button to create my images. In this stage, I generated numerous images so I could select from the best. The zombies, people in the street with billboard, people in airplanes, residents, Evil like. Trust me, this stage I generated so many images. Many came out exactly what I wanted. So feel free to experiment with Leonardo to create your own AI images. After I got my images, I moved over to Heygen. Here I made my main character talk. With Heygen, bringing images to life is easy. All I did was to click on the photo avatar, inserted my image, choose landscape, and made full body as my preference. Going over to Google Docs, copied my final script, pasted in Heygen. All you need to do is to make sure your words on your paragraphs do connect. Make sure you delete the word scene, as this was just a guide for us formulating our final script. Selecting the right voice for my avatar, I head over to Heygen's voice library and choose a voice that matched my main character for my AI video. Also, I made a tweak to the pitch and to the speed of the voice, therefore giving the voice of my main character depth. Essentially, you are in control, so feel free to adjust settings to the look and style of your character. Once I was satisfied with the result Heygen generated, I saved my video to my PC. The next step for my AI movie trailer was animating my images. With Pika Labs, I was able to give action to still images. To achieve this, open Pika Labs, visit the Discord server. In this case, I'm going to use the generate server 4. I type /trade, click on more, selected my image, after which I typed my prompt. For this image, my prompt was doctor saving patient critical situation. In less than no time, my image was generated, and the same method goes for other images I generated for my AI movie trailer. To make my billboard scene was very easy. I used Photoshop for this, but you can use any other photo editing platform for this. I took my billboard image into Adobe Photoshop. I changed the image on the billboard to a green color. I used the selection tool to select the screen. Hold the shift key and click on the backspace, then choose foreground color to fill in the screen. For the 3 images, I did the same process repeatedly to have my final result. After removing the background, I took the images to Pika Lab. Using the same process I did for the previous images, I added animations to my billboard images. The final part of the video is where I did the video editing. For this, I use CapCut, a free video editing software. Going through every aspect of this section will make this video series long, which is what I don't want. So I'm just going to summarize this section, providing you with essentials of editing with CapCut. I opened CapCut. After inserting all my videos, I added transitions and effects. To remove the green screen from my billboard, select the video with the green screen, move to the cutout tab, check the chroma key, use the color picker to select the color which is green. Now I drag the strength slider to adjust the influence. Just make sure your green screen video is above the other videos. So voila, you have it. Achieving the result you saw on the final video while editing, you should consider the rhythm and the atmosphere of your video. You should aim to move viewers smoothly from one scene to the next. The speed of each scene should match its tone, such as the fast clip for an urgent message. Also, selecting the best shot for your video. You want to choose shots that match your vision, convey message, and create a smooth flow. You also want to avoid shots that are shaky, blurry, out of focus, or poorly composed. For you to achieve this, you need to organize your footage. Make a plan. Choose the right clips that show important action. Use established shots. Use smash cuts. Use the right transitions, pay attention to pacing, and choose a color scheme. These are the steps that made me achieve the results you see on the video. I urge you to follow suit. There you have it. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you enjoyed the AI-powered movie. And if you found it captivating and inspiring, consider subscribing to our YouTube channel for more exciting content. By subscribing to our YouTube channel, you become an essential part of our growing community. Your subscription not only allows us to continue producing captivating content, but also empowers us to explore new horizons in AI-driven creativity. So if you haven't already, you know what to do. We encourage you to hit the subscribe button and be part of our creative family. Your support means the world to us. Thank you.